Like he's looking at the president.
I actually need to make an analogy, a comparison about the graphics of Mrs. Elizabeth Betterton and what's going on with the engineering back there of her land, how everything has been changed by the city council and builders, um, Kettle and Company, whatever the name is. I just keep forgetting. Anyway, what amazed me the most is that these marks, these draws, are in my breast mammogram. Here. Right there. Not only the circle, but also the pointed thing. Right there. Same spot, but 8 years earlier. This is in 2000. The first one is in 2008. So it's the same spot right there. It's very critical in there. Is my left breast. And it does hurt in there. Actually, it's left and right. What's happening is that some images that are in the left breast are also in the right breast. They copy. Very few of them do, but they copy. They transfer to the other side. Now, this is very deep to go into because I have also a view that shows that one in the right breast, that old one. So anyway, I just want to show this view again, right there, and it seems to be let's see what's the numbers. Al like Al Gore or Al Accounts, Texas. Hig. See, it's the double thing. Give 62. I-4, the Dennis Placer, or you can take it off the corner, the 3-4 line, corner 3 of the Silver Age Mill site, and it goes in 160, and so this part is where they're representing the property. This property does not exist. Another property line is where we are. In other words, they're saying this property line is where we are. This property is not being represented at all. So what they're using confusion here is they're saying it's shifted over here. Yeah, that it's they're shifting stuff. Okay, yeah. That's very good.
This rock is a rock from, it's in my breast image too, and it was laying outside Argo Mills mines. As you see, it matches this piece right here, the cut. See the cut. And right there he is. Right there. See the face? See that face right there? Kind of rectangular. Okay. Right there. It's in here. It's in here. There's no denial. The camera cannot catch very well, but I know it's in there. So anyway, this is similar to that one, but it's in little. And it's a red rock. Now this was found here in the property right here where I am, and this is Argo Mill Mines, standing out there in the corner of Argo Mills mine. ready for somebody to get it. So I got it. So anyway, here is that, and this right there. You see the circle? There's an image there, and a pointed thing. Looks like a penis. Some people that have sharp penises know what I'm talking about. So who is this person or this guy? Okay, let's see the back of it. Amazing. I also want to show something else here. This bill. I mean, to me, these bills are printed that way. I didn't do this. But you see, this is like almost a round thing that has been cut. Right? There I am also. So we got teeth. We got the teeth and we got the other stuff. You know what I'm talking about. So I had a set. These sets explain the whole thing. What is amazing about this set is that you gotta go deeper into it because there's even images in these sets inside the watermark. Inside the watermark, see, you gotta see the left eye, like, you know. I want to say something also. There's a lot of this state money, United States currency, that shows the conspiracy against my right breast when I had a biopsy and a garbage can was set up in the back of a Azteca for me to hit the breast, to bump the breast right where the biopsy was done. Here I have Mrs. I want to say something else. Mrs. Elizabeth Betterton. She speaks in the property. She knows all the numbers of the graphics of the engineering of the land here. And she mentioned a lot of times that the property 2448 that she said belongs to Bob Boland, the owner of Argo Mills mine. And if you see the picture of Bob Boland, a picture of him in the internet, it shows this eye lighted, which to me means my right breast. My right breast was lighted when it got bumped after the biopsy. I have a tumor in that breast, a benign tumor. And she speaks about 2448 property. This is an old bill, and it also has the images as well as these ones here. These ones. All these numbers, they mean something. They really do. And I am not favored by this camera. It doesn't show things like it should. Now look at this bill right here. It says Juga means juice. Juga. I'm a female juice. They're squeezing it out as far as it can go till I die. So here's a big 52. 52 is the code of Idaho Springs. It's A0452. Then we have big 52, 78. My daddy died at 87 years old, so we say A07. Usually when there is a 0 in between, that means the person have died. So 87, my daddy died. Big 52, big 87. So it's actually Central City and Idaho Springs. And then somebody stamped something in there that says CHR15. And then look in the back. Look in the back. All the signatures. All the signatures. This is a very interesting view. I really believe that they print this way. I don't think it's people doing it. They have to be real experts to track things with little tattoos that are a symbol of something that means something. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna stop here.